Hello friends, in my quest to review the Nikon Z7, I have been doing different projects and I have shared some of them with you. I have shared some astrophotography that I did, I shared some studio self-portraits that I did, and today I am going on an adventure with this guy. I am going to be doing some photos and some video. There's some beautiful fall colors up on this hike that I'm about to do, and there's something different today about my Z7, and that is that I got a new lens for it. I purchased the 35mm f1.8 prime. Now I do have the 24-70 f4 in my bag. I might be switching back and forth. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But everything that you see mostly in this video is going to be with the Z7 and one of the two Z series lenses. If you see this camera in the video, it'll be taken with this, which is my gimbal camera held by my trusty companion, Raymond. So that's it, everybody. Let's go. Hey everybody, our trip has been cut short. We're like halfway up the trail and it has started to rain, and it stopped raining for a second, so I set up to film, but now it's starting to rain again and there's lightning and thunder. So anyway, we have to cut the adventure short. But right now I set up the Z7 with the 35mm to do a little recap for you. First, one thing is that members, make sure you see Member Monday this week. I will be sharing more about my projects, this big trip that I'm going on very soon, and a bunch of other stuff. So you can learn more about being a channel member by clicking the join button below, or if you don't see a button, there's a link in the description of this video. My members keep this place running, so I make sure to share member exclusive content every week. You'll see it in the community tab. Let me talk about this camera. I have only had the 35mm f1.8 lens on it on this adventure. It's my favorite right now. It works so well together, and the lens itself has incredible image quality from what I can tell just by looking at the images on the back of the camera, and the I've been doing some shallow depth of field stuff because this lens opens up to f1.8, and the bokeh is very smooth and just, oh, delightful. And another thing that I have been really happy with on this little trip is using Pinpoint Autofocus. So typically I shoot in, when I'm taking photos, I will take photos in single servo, single point autofocus. That's what I've been using on this camera. But I was taking a photo of a little water droplet on a leaf, and the single servo, the single point autofocus it just was kind of missing the water droplet just a little bit. It was such a shallow depth of field because I was very close to it, that it was just missing a little bit. So I switched it over to Pinpoint and it worked like a charm. So I am very happy. That's two things that I've learned in the couple miles that I've hiked today, that this lens is wonderful, and I don't think I'm ever going to want to take it off the Z7. And it's, by the way, this lens is lighter than the 24-70 f4 lens, so that's a bonus when I'm hiking up a mountain like I am right now. And the Pinpoint autofocus. Love it. Anyway, sorry to cut everything short today, guys. But that was just thunder. Not sure if you guys could hear it, but it's coming. I got to get off the mountain. Talk to you soon.